Got a delivery today. Looks like some good stuff. Better open it up and find out what we've got. What's up, YouTube? Just got in the new Ronin lift. Been waiting for it forever. Ordered it back in March. So was expecting it a little bit sooner, but finally showed up. We're going to do an unboxing for this. First thing we got to address is we may have some damage. I don't know. We'll have to check that out. But obviously UPS was pretty rough with this. I can see some paint scrapage right there. We'll see how bad the damage is. Let's get into this and see what we have here. They had an interesting way of packaging it in there. Alright. Looks like we've got the battery charger here. And we've got the unit itself. That appears to be it for this box. They also sent me another box here. And this looks like it should be a couple of batteries. It's just one battery. Alright, so we've got a battery, charger, and the Ronin unit itself. So looks like it's just a little bit of paint scraped off the end of the lever. It's not enough for me to make a claim, so I guess that's what we've got for right now. I'm a little disappointed because I ordered this as a package deal. It was supposed to include the rope that I needed and an extra battery and a few other miscellaneous things. So I'll have to get a hold of them and see what they have to say about that. So we'll check with you guys later. Unboxing of the Ronin personal lift.